Welcome to Vantage Technology webinar. Today we are going to deep dive into the another format of prompt template, which is called the prompt template for an engagement email. So prompt template is we already went through my previous blog or webinar. You can watch those webinar for what are the different type of prompt template and how you can configure those prompt template. Today we focus on the prompt template for engagement email. So where it is typically for it is used for sale marketing or any support follow up, so that you can follow the format of the certain email. So before starting this webinar, let me introduce myself. My name is Rajneesh Kumar. I'm the CTO of Vantage Technology. I'm the MuleSoft ambassador as well as AI influencer award winner. I have more than 25-year experience in IT side. So let's jump on what is a prompt template for engagement email. So prompt template for engagement email for is a structured prompt template that AI uses to generate email tailored to a specific context or business objective, like re-engaging a lead, following up upon meeting, or introduction a new feature. So you are following the certain format, you are following the certain template so that you can engage, and also as well as you are following the company standard way to reach to your customer or company customer. So what are the benefit of an engagement of email prompt template is there are a couple of benefit is for engagement email prompt template is first, personalization at a scale. So you can personalize your email dozen or hundred of lead with AI personalized email. So you can replace with your user, and based on their tailor requirement, you can reach out to your customer based on their requirement and your company standard is. Second is consistency. Keep your brand voice and formatting intact. Third one is speed. Reduce time spent crafting email manually. That how you can is basically is a template is there and every format is there, just you have to be click and send that email based on the your customer requirement and your standard company standard is. And last but not least is actionable follow up. Basically is you can include the link, calendar invite, or embedded CTA with the automation that you can do, so that you can follow with your customer without forgetting any of your action item is. So these are the benefit for your engagement email prompt template. So we are going to jump on to the demo, what how you are going to uh, configure this email template, what are the things you need to take care within agent forces. So let's jump on the demo part. So let's jump on the demo part of the prompt template for an engagement email. Let's start this demo. Before starting, make sure that your agent force is enable. So let's go to the setup and search for the prompt. So now make sure that that is enabled for you. So this is enable. Another thing I would like to make sure that go for the agent and go for agents. So make sure that this is also enabled for you. If it is enabled, so since you are working on the your email template, make sure that sales email is also enabled for you. Make sure that this turn on sales email, this part, and it is saying is you have to first refresh it. If something, this error is coming, make sure that that is being refreshed and everything is being set up. Now once it's enabled everything, you can see now you can work on the your prompt template for engagement email. So let's start how you can configure different part. So again, go back to your prompt and configure this prompt template for engagement email. So now you click the new prompt template. Here in this section you have to make sure that you are selecting sales email. If you're not enabling my previous screen, if you are not enable that button, sales email, Einstein for sales, this option will never come. It will never come for you. So make sure that that is enabled so that you can select the sales email from here. Now I can go with name of the this email. Now automatically API name will populate for you. If you're not populating, you can add your own based on your comment. You can add your own API name. Give the some meaningful information like so that you know what is going on. And now you are selecting the contact object. Make sure that this is being selected for you. And now go for next. Here I just you can write your own prompt over here based on your comment. I wrote it down my uh, I wrote it down. I already wrote it down those prompt for you. Just I'm pasting over those prompt, whatever your business requirement. If you're working on the service side or sales side, based on that, already I wrote it down this prompt. And now this is a couple of placeholder. You have to make sure that it is being replaced properly. So sender full name. This is one of the placeholder. Just remove this one. Keep it your cursor over here. Makes sure the sender full name. Make sure that you select the sender full name from here. It's very similar to my previous couple of prompt template. Whenever you are doing working on the either flex field generation or flex prompt template, there's a very similar kind of thing. Only thing is you have to make sure that it is configured for email, so that whenever you're sending an email, it is be configured, and then just you have to be send email based on their requirement is little bit change here and there if you want to, but you can send as it is. So let's search for the full name where it is there. Okay, so here is now you're sending input sender name. Similarly, you can do over here for recipient. So now go to the recipient, recipient full name. Search for the recipient full name. I missed last name, last activity, full name. Now, one more thing I need to make sure that refer to the sender. This is another placeholder. I need to add sender full names because I'm giving instruction to the in this prompt is how sender would be look like. So let me add here the sender full name over here too. Okay, now full name. One more thing, since in this template I added the Apex class. If you are familiar with Apex class, if you know the Apex class, probably you can. So this is one of the Apex class I modified. I wrote it down over here, which based on the requirement. It's a completely different kind of thing. If you are familiar with the Salesforce, if you have any background with the Salesforce, you know the what is Apex class is very basically is very similar to the Java class, but it is provided by the Salesforce. So you can write your logic and read those data from your Salesforces. So this is one of those Apex class is being written and is being compiled. Now you can use it within your in your template. So this is a way you can call to the Apex class over here. So as soon as you is Apex class you wrote it down and enable and activate, then you can see this option over here. Just see is same option is coming. If you notice is this is the same Apex class is over here. So you can select over here so that you can use it the Apex class within your email template. Similarly, here I'm adding the one more item from the fitness custom object. Just go to over here and now go all the way to bottom, and now it's look good. So I replace all placeholder wherever I want to grounding those data based on the that information. It will generate the template for it will generate the message for you, and then you can test it and you can use it within your email. So save it. It is saying is already being used. So just I put the one name so that it's not conflict. And now I'm running preview, save and preview. Now I'm using recipient name over here. Suppose that I'm using a name Rob. This person I'm sending the recipient, this person is. And now I'm looking to the preview. If it's a preview is look like is looking good, then you can activate this information. So let's see. Now if you notice is everything looks good. It generated as a JSON so that you can use it within your email template. If you look good, just go ahead and activate over here. Now one more thing I would like to point over here is this is since it is my name is coming, you can enable any user to use this template. I just want to show you how you can enable. Go to your user and click the user and add your permission over here. Edit the permission. Suppose that I added over here. If you notice is Einstein sales email, I assign that permission to the this user. You can go to the user uh, in your classic side and then click user and then add the assignment. So I just want to show you how it's look like, and then you can add this assignment so that this Victoria can use it this template for your organization is. So now it is looking good, and now I can go back over here. Now since you done with your sales prompt template, now let's go to the contact and you can send an email from there. So contacts, this is a object, this is a page I'm here. Now I'm clicking a raw bullman because I tested for the raw bullman. Just um, Now email, if you notice, is as soon as you enable that one. So if you notice, as soon as you enable the template and Einstein over there, sales email, so you can see the draft with Einstein over here. So as soon as you click over here, it will enable for you, and now you search your template. Suppose that this is my template, one of the template is over here. So I just select this template, and now it will, I created one of the template is over there. So now it is created this email for me, and now I can send it to the this Rob, our client is, and then now they can use it for the multiple user. It's very custom, based on your requirement. You can configure more. If you want to add more information, you can configure apex class. You want to add to the flow, then you can add flow 2 on that same template is, and it will pull the data from the different uh, uh, from your data cloud or any other places wherever the data is. You can ground that data into the template, email template, and you can. So now once you're happy with this one, this email format, now you can done, and now you can send this email to the recipient, and it will go to the that particular person is, and now this message is coming, is your email is being sent to the Rob. So this is what demo it's look like. Uh, and if you have any more question, feel free to contact us, and we are happy to help you out. Thanks for joining this session. Thank you very much.